Worried about your Instagram account falling into the wrong hands? Today, we'll show you how to log out of Instagram, keeping your personal information safe and sound in just a few easy steps. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Great, you're on your profile page. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger menu. Tap those lines to open the menu options. A menu will slide in from the right. At the very bottom of this menu, you'll see the settings and privacy option. Tap on it to access your Instagram settings. Scroll down, all the way down to the very bottom of the settings and privacy screen. You'll see the logout option. Tap the logout button. Instagram will then ask you to confirm if you really want to log out. A prompt will appear asking if you want to save your login information. Saving your login info is convenient if you're the only one using the device. However, if you're on a shared device, it's best to tap logout without saving. This prevents others from easily accessing your account. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Instagram account. You'll be taken back to the login screen. Remember to log out whenever you use Instagram on a public or shared device. This simple step dramatically improves your account security and keeps your data private. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.